Are you looking to upgrade your Lexus SC430 sound system? Are you looking for a way that you can connect your new iPhone so you can play your iPhone music through your Lexus SC430 OEM sound system? To replace Lexus Factory radio is a big job. You require hours of labor and extensive knowledge of the electrical system. It is not an easy The parts and labor cost is enough to buy a used car. Your Lexus came with an impressive OEM top-of-the-line Mark Levinson sound system that was designed specifically for your Lexus. It is designed to match the beautiful interior of your Lexus with the integrated options and features such as the GPS and climate control. The entire sound system is designed to work with your Lexus as an art piece. Do not make the mistake of replacing the OEM sound system. It is super expensive to try to replace the head unit, and you will lose many awesome options and features on your Lexus. You will also greatly reduce the future resale value of your car. It is simply not worth the trouble and the headache. I have a suggestion for you. It's my gadget. This gadget, Gizmo Guy Gadget. Gizmo Guy Gadget would allow you to play all your iPhone music through your Lexus SC430 sound system without having to upgrade the system. You simply connect this device onto your iPhone like this and set your radio to 87.9, and you will be able to listen and play all your iPhone music, your Pandora, YouTube, Audiobooks, news, anything that you want to listen to right from your iPhone right through your SC430 sound system without any static or any noise whatsoever. Simply connect my device to your phone and you'll be able to enjoy all your music from your phone right through your Lexus SC430 sound system. Okay, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Click on the link below to find out more about my product.
My name is Patrick. What happens when you find a nice car on eBay, something that's within your cost range, but it's an older car, you love the way it looks, but you know you can't play your cell phone on it? Here's what you do. I found this product by Gizmo Guy, CD quality sound from your cell phone to your world-class audio system on the cool car you bought. Let's see how it works. You plug it into your phone. This is an iPhone, and you just start playing your music. Open your music. I should say one thing. There's stations on the back here that you preset on your radio. These are what it plays through. It actually was charging my phone as it's playing music, so definitely recommend the Gizmo Guy.
Come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you don't like it in any way, just send it back and you'll get your money back, okay? Hey, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Click on the link below to find out more about my product. Thank you for your time. Thank you. Goodbye.